Hello everyone, welcome to Laura's Crafts. In today's project we are creating a stunning enchanting floral centerpiece that blends rustic elegance with a touch of whimsy, using a vintage style and lush faux florals, twisted branches and weathered stone focal point. Perfect for your home decor, special occasions. This project is beginner friendly, so stick around and I will show you step by step how to assemble this eye-catching arrangement. Before we start arranging our flowers, let's first create a beautiful egg with stone effect. You can make a base using paper and tin foil or use a faux egg. Creating a stone effect, mix an easy filler powder with water until you achieve a runny but not overly watery paste consistency. Apply the thin layer evenly over the surface of the egg using plastic knife or spatula. For more natural stone-like texture, use your fingers to create a rough, bumpy areas. Allow the filler to dry partially, just enough so it's no longer wet but still slightly tacky. Then dab on some dirt to enhance the realistic effect before letting it dry completely. Optional, leave the egg as it is or add a touch of gold for an elegant accent. Building the floral arrangement, choose your base. Use a vintage style silver urn or pedestal vase for an elegant foundation. Then secure the floral foam. Place floral foam inside the vase, ensuring it fits snugly. If the foam is loose, secure it with a hot glue or floral tape for extra hold. Gently press the stone effect egg into the foam, ensuring it's firmly positioned. Cover the remaining visible foam with foam moss for a natural look. Incorporate branches. Insert dried branches into the foam, allowing them to curve naturally to add height and a mystical enchanted forest feel. For more dramatic silhouette, angle the branches outwards. Layering the greenery, add some fern and eucalyptus stems around the egg, tucking them in gently to create a natural flow. Arranging the flowers. Start with your largest flower at the base to create a full luxurious effect. Then layer in small flowers for dimension. I'm using peonies, soft pink roses and white ranunculus. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. final touches, step back and do a slow motion spin of your arrangement. Adjust any elements that feels off, ensuring that branches and flowers look balanced and natural. And there you have it, a breathtaking enchanted floral arrangement. Would you display this in your home? Let me know in the comments. If you love this project, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crafting tutorials.